This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, I'm Venu. In this video, I am explaining how to install Druid in LEM or EC2. Okay, I'm explaining everything hands-on. Try your level best. Okay, Druid is nothing but it is intentional for OLAP. It is a huge business intelligence related thing, especially if you want a huge amount of data. If you want to process, including streaming data also, streaming data batch, very powerful. It is one of the best solution. Okay, nowadays it is especially most of the companies using recently started. Okay, MemSQL, other things also available, but it is open source. Okay, very powerful it is. It is calm oriented and it is written in this Java language. Okay, it is very fast. Terabytes data also you can easily query within a fraction of seconds. Okay, that's why. How to do it? This is integration of OLAP, not OLTP. Okay, how to process this? I am explaining right now. How to install this? Druid. Okay, installation. Go to this one. If you want to learn my recommendation, everything available in this website. Okay, as of now I'm using this version. Okay, 2.2 I think. Okay, one more thing. First step, if you want to do it, before going to this one, I recommend create EC2 instance. Okay, how to create launch instance. One more important thing. Here minimum 16 GB RAM required. Okay, if you want, please go to this one, requirements. Okay, this is minimum 4 CPUs and 16 GB RAM required. If you are taking 8 GB or below 16 GB, you will get out of memory issues. Okay, at the time there is no minimum 16 GB RAM required. That's why I recommend go to EC2. Any Linux, as of now, Linux only. Windows as of now is not available. That's why choose Ubuntu as of now. This is 16 GB RAM and a 4-core CPU. So choose minimum that one. And this is everything same. One node and this one minute. Okay, here instead of 8 GB minimum I recommended 20 GB. Okay, 10 GB also fine, but this is recommendable. Okay, I think you know that all these security groups related issues. Okay, in my previous videos I already explained all these things. Now take this and create one instance. Maximum it will take few seconds. Okay, just wait. Still it is creating. Okay, maybe this is pending. Okay, click this one. If you want to connect public DNS, say that choose this one. Okay, choose this one. Now if you want to connect, open PuTTY. Okay, Ubuntu at the rate of something followed by SSH authentication, browse. Okay, testing, open. Okay, in that SSH for better convenience, I think I don't prefer black color screen, so use system color. Appearance maybe it is 20. Okay, that's recommendable. Now sudo apt install, sudo apt update. I recommend do it fast. Maybe it will take little time. Within this time, Java 8 also it is mandatory. Java 8 also is mandatory. That's why one more thing, JDK. Okay, I recommend use Java 8. They clearly mention in this documentation. Java at least Java 892 or more. Okay, so that's why my recommendation just use this one. Sudo apt install open JDK 8. Okay, now all these commands available in this documentation. Please YouTube description. Just follow that. Now execute this command. Okay. Next, sudo apt-get JDK. Maybe somewhere you will get Y, enter Y. This is my old terminal, so ignore that. Okay. Okay, almost completed. Maybe it will take a little time. As per this documentation, you must configure Java Home also. This is Java Home. You must configure all these things. Otherwise, it will take a little time. Okay, just a minute. Within this time, Java Home is equal to something something. Similarly, path 1 minute. Java Home and path is equal to dollar Java Home slash bin is to the dollar. Just a minute. Pedro Java. My recommendation it is okay. Drew slash bin is to path. Okay, this is Java Home. Export Drew. These two. Okay, also highly recommended. Just a minute. Java installation completed or not? Yes, Java installation completed. This is the Java installation. Okay, that's why I'm preparing documentation. Okay, similarly, Druid Home, how to configure, still Druid not installed. Okay, now this is requirement, everything scroll down. Now, first of all, download from this link. Click this one. If you click, you have something URL. Okay, in this link. My recommendation. Okay, okay, just a minute. WGT, this one. Maybe it will take a little time. Do one thing. We'll prepare documentation, maybe useful for you directly. Okay, WGT followed by this one. Above, there is a Java Home option also available. Just a minute. Now, just a minute. Sudo apt-get this. Okay, that is also just I'm preparing this. Okay, sudo apt update. That's also okay. I'm preparing this documentation. This is just to paste this one. Then tar-xvf followed by Apache Jude. Like this, like this. Just a minute. Just execute this command. Okay. Just execute this command. Okay. Now please check. Okay. Now where is this is located in this path? So my recommendation, where is it root install /home/ubuntu/ this one. That's it. So copy this. If you are using EMR EC2, just copy these 3 lines and paste. Okay. Okay. BI dot BASHRC. Okay. I. Okay. My recommendation here. Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Now just to copy these, export something, all this thing and paste here. That's it. Root home, 99% everything correct. Save and exit. Okay, just to prepare one documentation like this. Okay. Next, after completed all these things, that's it. 90% installation, everything completed. Just to follow this documentation. That's it. Okay, after execute this one, go to this one. Next, no need this /bin also. Just execute this command. That's it. Open putty. Okay. One more thing. After completed everything, source dot. That's also required. Okay. Next, execute this one. That's it. That's it. Don't close this terminal. Don't close this terminal. Next, what happened? Okay, in AWS, okay, just to follow this documentation, everything available in this root. Okay, here there is a public available, private available. Okay, I recommend choose this public something IP. Otherwise, choose this one also, public something. Why? After execute this one, scroll down 8080 on this one. Open root console. That means execute instead of localhost, use 8888. By default, that's installed in that port. Okay, 8888. It's good that. Then you get this one. If it is not working at the time in security group, in AWS security group, please add these port numbers. Okay, here security groups available. I already added all port numbers. Okay, that's why. If you are using these security group, these 100% everything is working fine. All port number. This is not recommendable in production. Okay. Otherwise, add this port number 8888. That is also fine. Okay. That now you will get like this. That's easy. Nothing. There is no any difficulty. Okay. Now, let example. I want to process this data. How to do it? This is Jude. If you get like this, means 100% installation completed. Then click this load. If you want to, by default, as of now, it will support Kafka or Kinesis, S3, otherwise any live data from Event Hub, otherwise in Azure Lake, Google Cloud, HDFS, okay, any local computer or any other REST API. Okay, as of now, testing purpose, local. Continue. I want to read data from somewhere. Anything is fine. Do one thing, testing purpose. Testing purpose as of now. If you want to transfer huge amount of data, you can read data from S3 also. That's not a problem. Okay. Now, Witness CP. Open Witness CP. No need to update. Now, Control V. Here Ubuntu. And here go to Advanced. Authentication. Browse. Keep it. You know all these things. Okay. Now, this is the root. Okay. Now I want to processing purpose. I want something data set in my local computer temporarily testing purpose. In my local computer, I have different data sets. Okay. Anything is fine, but okay, size. We are processing large amount of data, you know. So this type of large data I recommend. Okay, otherwise choose any other thing, that's not a problem. Okay. Now I want just a minute. In this today video, I am explaining two things. One CSV data, one more JSON data. Okay. CSV or JSON at the time. Okay, just a minute. Maybe here, accidental information available. CSV, that is large amount of data. Vehicle information. Okay, that's why as of now, maybe it is 800, you know, it will take a lot of time to copy based on internet connection. Okay. Okay. Otherwise, copy a small amount of data also. That's not a problem. Okay. Just a minute. Okay, do one thing instead of this large data. Okay, take as of now temporarily testing purpose two types of data. One, what is this called? Just a minute. Okay, just a minute. JSON. For example, this is one JSON data. Okay. Similarly, you want to process something data. Any data is fine. Maybe as of now testing purpose. Okay. Okay. 2080 data. No? 1 minute. I don't know what is this ASL. Okay. Copy this ASL. Okay. Now these two data sets available in this path, home, Hadoop, etc. etc. As of now testing purpose, I want to process ASL data. Then what happened? Slash home Hadoop ASL.csv. Here, file filter. What is this meaning? What type of data you are using? I'm using JSON or CSV. Just mention this one. That's it. At the time, what happened? You are reading ASL data. Okay. Failed. This sample data now. Home. Sorry, this is not Hadoop. Ubuntu, I think. Okay. 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 Now, please note you have header also. You have header also. At the time, don't forget here somewhere available. Just a minute. Pass this data. Okay. Here instead of results, CSV. CSV. Okay. Okay. You have header. Okay. Find a column from header. Sorry. Header. Sorry. Yeah, true. What is this meaning? If you have header, automatically get the data from first time. Okay. So that's why this is true. Okay. Now apply. If sorry, something wrong. Just a minute. Find true. Okay. A small issue. Sorry. Skip 0 means automatically skip first time. Okay. Now, okay, column header is equal true and apply this parsing. Okay, by default, it is taking something date column like this. That's required. Okay, in Cassandra also everything date column, same way this is. Depth information about root, I will guide you later in my next videos. As of now, load this data. Okay, of course, if you want all this documentation, it is available in this documentation also. Just follow that. Okay, and filter. Filter if you want to skip something like Hyderabad or something, you can. This is nothing but schema. Okay, what automatically it will take care of it. No, you don't need to specify anything. Okay, here if you want to partition by almost day, hours, week, etc. Anything is fine. Choose based on your requirement. Okay, next, this is nothing but generic. Okay, this is large amount of data is recommendable. Otherwise, no need to ignore. This is something table name is called ASL. Give any name, no issue. Okay. Now this is JSON format. Okay, internally it is creating like this and submit this. If you submit, you will get like this. Usually it will take little time. Large amount of data means it will take a lot of time. Okay. Maybe I want to process this. In case if you want to get the live data, here I recommend every 5 seconds refresh. At the time automatically refresh. Okay. Now I want to process this data right now. At the time, go to query above. Left hand side, there you have tables or schema or columns. Like that, you have different things. Okay. If you want to process anything, you can do it right now. Okay. Maybe, okay, just a minute. Okay, if you want to process this, okay, let example, 1 minute. Select star from, just a minute. Something I forgot. Just a minute, just a minute. Okay, just only 1 minute. Okay, fully available. Okay, this is okay. This much total amount of 6 rows only it is. It's not too much. Click this one. Data source name. Okay. That is okay. Data source name. That's fine. Okay. Similarly, just a minute. This is you got it. Okay. It will take little time. It's slowly loading. You know. Select start from a cell. Usually, this is small. Sorry, don't use code semicolon. This is small amount of data. That's why it's quickly responding. But a large amount of very large amount of data also you can. Okay, I will show you that one also if you want to do it, that example as well. Similarly, I want to process zip data. Okay, within this time, why time waste? Okay, large amount, let's try large amount of data right now. Within this time, okay, accidental data. I don't know, this is CSV data, I think. Load this. Maybe it will take little time. Within this time, I will get you zip data. Okay, here you have zips. Okay, .json. How to process these? Okay, now go to Druid. Oh, sorry, go to Druid. Now I want to process one more table. At the time, load. Click that load, and okay, anything is fine. Do it. For example, I want to load local. Okay, maybe where is that data located? For Ubuntu zipf.json. Okay, JSON. Okay, this is JSON data. That's why choose JSON. Save. Anything wrong? Oh, a small issue. Okay, typo 1 minute. Okay, now apply. Yes, this is JSON. This data. Now location, longitude, latitude, etc., etc. Okay, automatically it will take care of it. Don't worry. Okay, next. This is a transform filter. If you want to filter anything, you can. And this is if you want to filter something, you can. And this is same. I said, I want to do it something. Okay, this is partition. Anything is fine. As of now, choose the date related things. And this is true. That's also same. Publish. This is you are giving something name called zip. Okay, this is a sample overview data. Okay, automatically data. If you submit this, usually first time it will take little time. Wait 5 minutes. Okay, still it is running. If it is completed, success, then you can do it anything. Large data also, to be frankly, it will take a little time. After that, you can do it anything. Please wait 5 minutes. If you wait 5 minutes, then you can. As of now, ASL, but uploading that data also. Please wait. Okay. Similarly, is this data is loading? I'm not sure. Just a minute. This is large data, almost 600 MB, maybe millions records available. Huge. That is also same. But Druid intention of a very large amount of data, not small amount of data, to be frank. This is like a Snowflake, very fast. Okay, and MemSQL, there is one more competitor also, MemSQL. Otherwise, okay, that is very powerful. Similarly, this is also Druid. This is open source, no need to pay 1 rupee also. Of course, everything documented in this video. If you want, please check. This is start this one, and this one you will get like this, and upload like this. Click that one, upload, etc. Okay, and just specify that where is this JSON data path located, etc. Everything. Upload this. Okay. Okay. Multiple files also you can. That's not a problem. Okay. This is JSON format, and this is nothing but column, time, etc., etc. To format ISO or IST, Indian Standard Time, etc., like that. Okay, and here this is okay, this is okay, and then next, publish. You will get like this. Okay, it will take little time. After that, querying that data. That means above there is a something query option. I have to click that. Otherwise, click this icon and automatically you get like this. That's also fine. Now, after some time, you get like this. Okay, so if you want to process this, click this. Okay, if you want to process this, okay, how many records available? These number of records available. Okay, so that's why you want to process this. Go to query. Now, this is the ASL. Now, I want to process GIFs. Select star from table name. Not only this, if you want, okay, maybe just 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Similarly, if you want to process ASL, okay, JSON data or something, this is nothing but age, city, Hyderabad. Not only select star from table name. Let example group by. Okay. City, comma, count, CNT from ASL group by city. Okay. Don't execute semicolon. That's not recommendable. Now run. Yes, it's what city. Okay. Similarly, this is large amount of data. Still, it is copying. That is copied right now. Accidental information. That is CSV data. Okay, comma separate data. I want to process this. At the time, you will get one real-time hands-on experience. Why? Especially the small data, there is no any headache. Okay. But these type of large data, if you want to process, don't worry. In my next videos, I will guide you other things. Okay, home. This is large amount of data, and this is okay, maybe CSV. Okay, and apply. One more thing. This is if you want to process other resources like Kafka. In my next videos, I will guide you. Don't worry about it. Okay. Next, I want to process like this. If you pass, you get like this. If you have any header, just mention skip 0. Automatically it will take off. Is this true? Okay, and apply. Okay, and apply. Then next, passing this. Okay, automatically as I said, it will add a time. Okay, maybe next filter. Okay, I think you know all these things. Okay, something I don't know full information about this. These columns. Okay, column information. Okay, ignore. Okay, next everything do it. Next transform. Okay, next accidental something. Okay, accidental service. If you want to skip. Okay, here use anything, but I recommend date. Okay, next tune publish. Okay, accidental information. Submit. Usually it will take a lot of time. While this is a large amount of data, no? Within this time it is indexing that data. If it is indexing that data, if it is indexing, then that's it. You can do it anything. Okay, how many records you have if you want to know all this information? Okay, wait a bit. Maybe it will take little time. Still running. After that, go to query. Maybe if everything okay, after 5 minutes you will get that table name here. Then run any query. Select from table name, group by table name, join to table name. Okay, that almost do anything you can do it right now. Okay, like this. One more thing, updation is not possible. Okay. Join GIFs. Unfortunately, there is no any common column between these two. I think ignore. But join also it's working. But update. Where is update? That's not available. Okay, that's why. Okay, as of now, updation is not available. Just a minute. I think still 2 only. Wait 5 minutes. That is large amount of data. You know. That's why starting time it will take little time. Clearly said. Okay, this is it will like this. If you have in this way, it may take little time. By the main reason, it is a large amount of data. You know. At the time it is indexing what happened, what is the data available, everything. So it's the indexing. It will take little time. After that, any SQL queries within a fraction of a second, you will get all this. It's easy, you know. Okay, that's by then select star from table name, group by table name, join, etc., etc., etc. But updation, no, that's not intentional. This is intentional for OLEAP. Okay, very powerful. And my recommendation. This is one more thing. As of now, it's working in only Linux environment or Mac, not in Windows. Okay, if you want, that's right. Windows not supported as of now. Okay, Mac only as of. And one more thing, Java 8. Don't forget that. That's also mandatory. Okay, if you want to learn anything, to be frankly, no need any Google or YouTube. Just go follow this documentation. Everything available. Similarly, this is single server deployment, cluster deployment. Maybe this is you are using large amount of data cluster. At that time, minimum this amount of RAM required. Highly recommended. Okay. Similarly, okay, this is query server. This one. Okay, depth information and more information about Druid in my future. In future, I will share different videos. You just follow this. Everything to load data files natively. And roll this data and upload this data, different options. You know, this is very useful. Just follow that. Okay, and practice that. Select count star, group by, etc., order by. It's easy. It's working fine. With examples, with data set, there explain something. Just follow that. Okay. Maybe if 2-3 minutes completed means I think refresh. Still, it's uploaded. Wait 5 minutes. As I said, it's large amount of data. You know. After everything, then run any SQL queries. Select star from table name. Okay. To load all this data, it will take a little time. Not only that, if you want to upload any other formats also, like Avro or GG format, that's also it's working. What is? Here, please check. Okay, maybe this is CSV data 1. Here, please check pack AORC, table separator CSV. Everything is working, you know. That's right. Okay. If you want a query, there is a query option available. If that data also loading, everything completed, then you can run SQL queries and you will get that results. Okay. I think you got one idea, I think. Okay. If you have any other queries, please comment below. If that data loading completed, I think you will get here. Everything you will get here. Okay. You will get all this information here. Then if that table available here means then you can do it anything. Okay, select star from table name, group by, join. Okay, I think you got one idea. I think if you stuck somewhere, okay, WhatsApp me. I will try my level best to answer. Okay, thank you very much. In my next video, I will guide you how to get data from Oracle and how to visualize that Oracle data using Druid. Okay, fine. That's it today. That's this video, and if you like. If you feel this video may be useful for anyone, please forward this video. Or else, if you have any other doubts, please comment below. I will try my level best to answer those questions. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye.